Hello and welcome to the London session review. So what has price done so far? We just see that market has been ranging. It went up from yesterday after doing a series of this. So during Asia, it went up, came back down, went up, then broke this low, and is back in this range. So what we're looking for a break below, or a break above. That's what we'll be looking for. That's one set. Another thing we can look for is for us to see a nice bullish engulfing bar for us to go long, or a kangaroo tail, or for it to give us a nice kangaroo tail, or otherwise known as a hammer, so that we can go long. But we know that there's a nice support here. Where else do we have support and resistance? If we shrink it in, we'll see that price has been largely going downwards. So we'll need to go to a higher time frame to see where there could be possible reversals. Okay, so price is currently at this level here. So let's mark that with this. Mark that with this. Mark the area. So let's expand this particular area for us to see what price is doing there. Okay, so price is really at this point now. It could go all the way down to these lows here. That's a possibility. It could find, it's possible on the lower time frame, find some support around these levels here. Okay, and it could go all the way down. Let's just mark some of those points now, since we are far away from it at the moment. So these are possible locations, and to the upside, of course, we can mark these ones from the time frame itself. So let's go back to our 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so we see prices really pushing down. So let's see if we get a close below and possibly look for continuation to go down. So yeah, that's what we'll be looking for that. I want to introduce the gold pair as well. I'll be trading that. Let me see what we have. So we see price was moving sideways here, and it has broken the high. Yesterday's high, it has broken that. So what we could expect, because we like to trade the trend, we see it's been moving up. So what we expect is for it to move back down, maybe to this zone here or to this zone here, and then shoot back up. It could come all the way down and shoot back up. And the same thing, we'll be looking out for the same thing. We'll be looking out for either bullish engulfing candle or a kangaroo tail for us to take a trade in the other direction. Okay, so just as we saw yesterday, we see that price did come down and then gave us a nice bullish engulfing bar. This is a nice bullish engulfing bar, and there was follow through. You see, so that's all we need now. So for this one, we'll be waiting for a pullback, and pull back either to this. This is a nice, well, this is a nice zone here. This level here is a nice zone. This zone here too is another nice zone. So it could pull back to this level and go up, or pull back to this level and go up. So where could it go to? So we'll shrink it. We see there's no price action right here. So we'll go to the higher time frame to see where there are possible locations. Okay, so we have possible locations around here. So let's expand that and see what price could likely do. Okay, so price is right here. It could come up to this level, it could come up to this level up here. So that's the 2073, the 2050. Let's even put it here for good measure, the 726. Okay, so those are possible areas that price could go to before it reverses. So we'll have to put an eye out for that to see what price will do right there. So we'll put our points here too. support and resistance levels. Okay, so we'll be looking out for that. This is my demand zone, my preferred demand zone. This is the first one right here. So let's see if price can come back down in here and then give us some rejection candles and then go up. Okay, so that's it for London session. Let's see how the trades play out. Follow me on my Twitter handle at SkyVisionFX, and follow us on the channel, the YouTube channel, SkyVisionFX as well. Thank you.